Hi, this is Madhura Naik, and you're watching Fly 7 News.
Welcome to Fly 7 News, ma'am.
Thank
So,
you.
let's proceed to the hottest and fun segment.
Hottest. Okay.
So, first question. What's the weirdest thing a fan done has for you?
The weirdest thing a fan has done for me is actually, I don't know if it's weird or sweet, but a lady fan of mine, she had been writing me a diary every single day of her life for a year. And after a year, she sent me that diary on my birthday. So, yeah, that was definitely like one of the sweetest, weirdest things.
What's your biggest, weirdest fear?
My biggest fear is if I was the only person left on earth. If this pandemic had to wipe off everyone, no, I'm not going to say that. But I think like अगर मैं सिर्फ एक ही इंसान बच गई इस दुनिया में तो that is something that really scares me.
What would be your superpower?
If I could select my superpower, I would select flying. Definitely. मुझे बहुत सारी dreams भी आते हैं ऐसे. So I think my superpower would be definitely flying.
What pet do you love to have?
I would definitely love to have a panda. That's a pet I dream of having because pandas are super cute and super cuddly, and I think I have a small toy pom at home. His name is Yuffie, and I think he would also love having a panda at home.
What's the most useless talent you have?
My most useless talent would be, I don't know whether to call it a talent or what. I think it's just all the mathematical theories and formulas I come up with.
Who is your celebrity crush?
Wow. My celebrity crush is this. Can it be a? It has to be a guy or a woman. My celebrity crush is this new guy from this movie 365 Days, Michael.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
In my spare time, I like daydreaming in my spare time. I think that's what I do. मैं बस बैठ के सपने देखते रहती हूँ.
Who is your inspiration?
For me, somehow Beyonce, the Hollywood singer, has been quite an inspiration because I just love the way she carries herself, how she sings, and how the music videos are shot, and just the way the whole personality is packaged. So I definitely think Beyonce is my inspiration.
Where would you like to visit?
Right now, I want to visit any place because of a pandemic. Everything is closed. I can even go to Warsaw Beach and be happy right now.
What would you date a fan?
would would I date a fan? Depends. Maybe not. Yes, of course, I would love to date a fan. I mean, someone who is a fan of mine and someone who loves me so much, and yeah, but conditions apply.
Who is the messiest person you know?
The messiest person I know is my brother. He lives in a mess. His life is a mess. He's a mess. Sorry, bro.
If you're not famous, what would you up to right now?
If I was not famous, I would be washing my cars. Because yeah, I think because that's what my car washer hasn't been doing well. It's a joke. No, if I was not famous, I would be a scientist.
You were the host in Super Good reality show, and Akash was the youngest contestant in that show.
Right.
So, what was the moment was that?
So yes, I was one of the hosts of Super Dude, and मेरे साथ अश्मित पटेल भी थे, सोफिया हायत भी थी, एंड सुपर डूड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग शो था. 13 लड़के थे, हमने उनको एक बड़े से हाउस में रखा था, एक बड़े से विला में रखा था. It was like the Big Boss house. It had a beautiful pool and a garden and all of that. And Akash was one of the youngest contestants and he was very fun. He was very, very funny, hilarious, very joyous. बहुत मस्ती करता था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्ती करता था, बट बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, वेरी टैलेंटेड.
Akash was a finalist in Big Boss 11, and he has owned his show, the Rap Show Season 1. This platform is for underprivileged kids. What do you think about this show?
So Akash has come up with this great concept of the rap show, and मुझे लगता है कि he's, like I said, he's a very good speaker, and he's a very good host and very talented musician and a rapper. तो मुझे लगता है कि it will be a great platform if they're involving underprivileged children, and I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Akash has done many music video live show with legendary Sukhwinder Singh and Mahesh Bhatt supported him. What is your thoughts about him?
मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि आकाश सुपरस्टार बने, जितने शोज़, जितने वर्ल्ड टूर्स है उतने करें, एंड नॉट ओनली विद सुखविंदर सिंह जी, नॉट ओनली विद महेश भट्ट जी, आई वांट टू सी हिम विद डीजे खालिद. कम ऑन आकाश.
What do you want to say about Akash?
What do you want to say? What's the Akash? What
he like I said, Akash is a very very talented musician, बहुत ही talented rapper है, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो बहुत एक्सेल करे अपने काम में. मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम उसे और ज़्यादा लाइव शोज़ में देखें, हम और ज़्यादा म्यूज़िक वीडियोज़ देखें उसके. तो जी, सो आई फील लाइक आकाश इज़ अ ग्रेट गाय, वेरी क्लीन एट हार्ट, वेरी सपोर्टिव एज अ फ्रेंड. तो आई जस्ट विश गुड फॉर हिम एंड आई वांट टू सी हिम ग्रो.
Thank you so much, Madhura.
Thank you.
Giving it your pleasure time.
Thank you. Hi, this is Madhura Naik. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. Like buttons please and comment below.